Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates we'll be sharing. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on our Euro USD. We would also see what EURUSD will be giving us this week. Once again, subscribe so you will not miss out on any single update. Once you subscribe, also click on the bell notification button so that when you subscribe, you also click on the bell notification button. Once I drop an update, instantly you will get the update. Now let's start with our monthly time frame. We are going to do this analysis from our monthly time frame down to our 1 hour time frame to understand the overall movement on our EURUSD. So on our monthly time frame, let's start with the trend. So we clearly can see that on this our monthly time frame here, we are in an uptrend move. We all know that it's either market is moving to the upside, which is a trending market move upward, which is an uptrend, or market is trending downward, which is a downtrend, or literally market is ranging, right? That is exactly what market does. When you take a look at this movement here, we can clearly see that market is trending to the upside. Previously, we were in a downtrend move. That was the previous movement. Market was giving a series of lower low and a lower high. It was giving a series of a lower low and a lower high. But right now, market is giving us a series of higher high than higher low. Now let's start with this movement here. This is our first high. And here is our higher low. You can see how it is moving, which is not impulsive move. You can see it as the impulsive move, then a corrective wave. Then here comes the impulsive move. You can see it, as you can call it, your higher high, which took out this what previous high here. Took out this previous high. Market has given us a pullback. Now we are expecting another movement here that will push up to give us a new high, thereby taking out this high. Now this is where this trade is for position traders. This trade is for traders that would want to be holding their trade for the next 3 to 6 months, even 7 months and a year. So I would say a minimum of 4 months. Traders that would love to hold their position for a minimum of 4 months to a year or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. To hold their position for a long time. This is for position traders. So if you're a position trader, now is the best time for you to go ahead and open on the buy on your EURUSD. As EURUSD in the long term will still give us a massive bullish move that will still push up well to take out this previous high. So more movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on our EURUSD. EURUSD will still give us more bullish move. So have that in mind, more bullish move. That is exactly what EURUSD will be giving us. So our monthly time frame, it says we are on a bullish move and we should be expecting more bullish move. That is on our euro. That is on the monthly time frame. So like we said, first high, our first higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we are anticipating for a new higher high. So position traders, this is the best time for you to open on the buy. Now let's drop to the weekly time frame, which is mostly and commonly used for swing traders. Now I want you guys to see this, right? Also, what is the trend? We all know that market tends to give us 3 movements. I've explained it earlier. I said it's either we are trending upside or we are trending downward or market is literally ranging. Now I'm going to show you the 3 trend. Previously, this was the downtrend move. Market was trading to the downside. Previous movement. This was around year 2021 and 2022. Market was trending to the downside, right? Then eventually market has now corrected itself and we can see it here. We are no longer on a downtrend. We are now in an uptrend move. Can you see it here? This is a trending market move, uptrend move. But when you take a look at it, also previously market once ranged within this level here. Market once gave us a sideways movement within this level. if you have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we were predicting this movement. So market once ranged within this level, but right now market is now pushing up. So if you take a look at it here, also market is now ranging within this level, which is a minor trend, by the way. Our full trend is still an uptrend move. The minor trend is just it's literally ranging, and it will eventually correct itself and start pushing up. Now take a look at this here. This is why I've highlighted this key level. Since it is ranging, we would want to align some key levels, and this is a key level. Market first gave us a rejection here. Market dropped and gave us a rejection here. Market eventually came back and gave us a rejection here. Market came again, gave us a rejection here, and now market is here and it is giving us a rejection. As you can see it on the weekly time frame, we have now gotten what, a double bottom. So you can see it, right? Supports pushed up, came back, so our support, and now we are expecting that push up to push to come to our resistance level. So for swing traders, right, you would want to be holding your trade for a couple of days and couple of weeks. Probably between 2-3 weeks, you might want to be holding this trade. So with this moment, you are likely to be grabbing between 150 to 170 pips movement. This is a potential 150 and 170 pips movement. And you can see here, this is our first rejection touch. Market pushed up, market dropped again, and it failed to break this previous low here. It failed. Once it failed, it pushed up, thereby taking out this neckline. And now you can clearly see it's a reversal pattern. You all know what a reversal pattern means, right? It means market will now start. This is a double bottom, which is a reversal pattern. So we should not be expecting market to push further up. So basically, swing traders, we would be going long. Remember, day trade monthly time frame says we are on a bullish move. Weekly time frame says also saying that we are going bullish. Remember, the position traders will make use of the monthly time frame, while the swing traders will make use of the weekly time frame. Now let's see what the daily time frame is actually showing us. So this is what I'm also saying here. First push up, it came back, failed to break this previous low, pushed up again, thereby giving a new high that took out this previous high. So we'll be expecting market to give us good amount of a pullback, then another push up, right? So this is our movement for the week on Euro USD. We should be expecting a little bit of back, then another push up that will eventually push up to take out this previous high. So this movement prediction would be used by day traders, right? So above all, on our Euro USD, we are anticipating for a bullish move. More movement to the upside is what we should be anticipating for and what we should be watching out for. A little bit of a pullback is what we should be expecting before markets eventually push up to continue the movement to the upside. So more uptrend move is what we are expecting. Now let's take a look at it on the forward time. As you can see it right here, you can clearly see it, right? No need of telling you what the trend is. You can clearly see that this is an uptrend move. And with this movement, I think it is possible to draw a trend line. So you can see it right clearly, right? Market push up, bounce up, come to tap the trend line, bounce up again, come to tap the trend line, bounced up, and now we've seen it come to tap the trend line. So let's see it from this level, bounce up again. If in case it draws in order to take out liquidity, it will definitely going to bounce up. So whatever thing you would want to do is wait for your setup, probably a runner section on Monday once the market opens, or to those of you that would like to find your setup in your section, do that. So what you should be looking at for right now is a buy setup. Do not enter the buy if you do not get the buy setup. Only enter the buy once you get the buy setup, and then once you get the buy setup, you can go ahead and take the buy as Euro USD will definitely give us continuous bullish move. Remember, monthly time frame says we are going bullish. On our weekly time frame, it also says we are going bullish. On our daily time frame also, it says we are going bullish. And now our forward time frame. What is the forward time frame doing? Forward time frame is already giving us the bullish move. So if you are anticipating something on the bigger time frame, you should go to this lower time frame to confirm it if it is already moving. Remember, we are anticipating for a bullish move for the monthly time frame. We're also anticipating for a bullish move on our weekly time frame, and we are also anticipating for a bullish move on our daily time frame. When we now drop down to the forward time frame, guess what? Market is now giving us that bullish move. So it will continue till it eventually reflects on the higher time frame. So more movement to the upside is what you should be expecting. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and make your comments.